Boom, there we are. What's up, y'all? It's your homeboy Justin. We're back in my bathroom one more again. Today is a highly requested you know what? Hold on. We gonna be a little bit truthful here. So this Q&A is like highly requested is like, I feel an overstatement. But a lot of people have asked me to talk about this. It's just people keep asking me, how many locks do you have? How many locks you got? How many dreadlocks are on your head? I don't know. So we're gonna count and figure that out. But before we do that, first of all, click on that link, watch last week's video if you haven't watched it already. And then secondly, the Grammys? Few things. Why they always gotta have people who sing bad? Little big town, big little people, big town for little people. Wasn't a fan, you know. First of all, it's the Grammys. So why would you not like warm up? Maybe drink some hot tea or some hot water, you know? Take a little bit of extra vitamins to make sure your throat is okay. They was singing like they wasn't trying to be there. She was not hitting the right note. She was a little bit flat. She was a little pitchy. Like Randy Jackson said in American Idol, it wasn't right. For me, for you, I didn't like it. For me, for you, dog, I didn't like it. Blue Ivy, national treasure. We have to protect her at all costs. She told Beyonce and Jay-Z, she said, we knew what happened last year. We are not clapping for them today. Not for Camila. We are not doing that today. No. She literally straight up to her mama said, no. Mom, no. Dad, no. I love Blue Ivy. Bruno Mars and Cardi B, that finesse performance, they was dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. They was killing it. Cardi B just, she winning for 2018 already. It's still just January. Childish Gambino with Terrified. Oh my gosh. He can sing. He can also get it, but he can sing. Child, like, I can't with him. I can't with him and his flawless vocals and his arrangement of his band. Also, shout outs to the girl on the snap pad with a little bell solo on the other hand. She was doing it. She did that for real, for real. SZA got snubbed. How you gonna nominate somebody for 5 Grammys and then not give her 1? What's the point of even nominating her if you ain't gonna give her the award? Why are you gonna fill her, not only were you gonna fill her up with false hope, why are you gonna fill us up with false hope? Like, there was no love, love, love. There was no love in that. Y'all wrong. Y'all know you're wrong. Plus, Alicia Cara has been out for 500 years. I don't know how they determine when an artist is new, but she's not new. She's been here for a moment, a hot moment, like a long moment, okay? She is not just getting here. I just had to get that off my chest. I think that was all I wanted to say. After Pink performed, which I think it was another song, but it was the same kind of song. Oh, also Lady Gaga? No, girl, She put so much of her efforts into theatrics that she forgets that she's supposed to sing, you know, and carry tune. All this makeup, this costume, this giant feather hearts piano situation. Again, did she warm up before the performance? Did she have a dress rehearsal? Did she drink some tea? Did she eat her vitamins? Did she eat her Frosted Flakes when she woke up that morning? Did she drink soda that day? What is she doing? Ooh, Lord, that high note too. She was trying to, no girl, don't do that. You've never done that, don't try it now. Stay in your lane, do what you can do. Also, Sam Smith, he sound, oh my gosh. What was it, Francesca on Twitter talking about, why does this song just sound like he's just yawning for 15 minutes? Sam Smith has a good, like, I really think that he's like a baritone for real. You know why? Because he has a really good, like, deep and full chest voice, right? As soon as he goes into his falsetto, it gets so whiny and tinny and just bright and like, it's like a piccolo trumpet or something. It's just not right. Like, his voice is here. When he's low, it's golden. It sounds sultry. As soon as he goes all the way up here, it's just too much. I can't take it. It's like, hi, I just, no. And he was also looking like Moby with that big old long trench coat. Why are you trying to be Neo from the Matrix? Why are you trying to be Macklemore / Eminem? What you doing? This is not thrift shop. So those are just my thoughts about the Grammys. I'm sorry I went on a little, like, a long rant. I just need to get that off my chest, okay? So anyway, let's count these locks and see how many locks I got. So last time I did this, I think I had 154 or 156. We have, the last time I counted how many locks I had, it was 3 years ago too. So it has been a minute, it's been a long while. I've also had locks detach, unfortunately, but I've reattached those. I've had to combine a few locks, or a lot of locks, so we just have to figure out how many are here so we can get this whole situation. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count in tens and then put a rubber band around it to hold it all together so I can make sure that I count everything. You know, I think that makes sense. So we'll put 10 locks together, we'll use a rubber band, and hopefully we'll just count the bundles, because you know we got bundles now. We got a whole bunch of bundles. We're almost at 16 inches of bundles, y'all. We got a whole pack of hair, whole situation going down. Anyway, oh, okay, so let me get counting, okay? All right, 10. I'll do this a little bit longer and I'll let you guys know how many locks I got on my head. What do y'all think about, I want to know in the comments, have you counted how many locks you have? Do you have like a superstition about it? Because I've read that some people feel like you're not supposed to know how many locks you have, which is interesting because a lot of people keep asking me how many locks I have. So it's like either I'm not supposed to know, but I found out 3 years ago when I did it, but I don't know how many locks I have now. So it's like, am I supposed to count? Am I not supposed to count? Like, what is it? What's the 411? What's the deal, you know? Y'all, this is 9 right here. I'm just making sure that I don't have any locks that I missed when I was plaiting my hair. So whatever we have, it's gonna be 10 times the rubber bands we have plus 9 locks. Yep, that's 9. So I'm guessing it's 149, but let's see, okay. So this is the final reveal, y'all, final reveal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13, there has to be one more left, at least one more. Is that really it? Is that it all? Is that everything? Yeah. Wow. So that means 139 locks. Wow. That's a lot less than last time. So we've combined a lot of locks over the last 3 years, apparently. So next time y'all ask me this question, this is the most current response. But now we know. Well, if you like this video, you'll know what time it is. Give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments about this video, leave in the comment section below. Again, I want to know, first of all, what are your thoughts on the Grammys? SZA being snubbed, Blue Ivy being cute as Childish Gambino's performance, Kendrick Lamar's performance, Bruno Mars and Cardi B's performance. Oh, Rihanna and DJ Khaled. Oh my gosh, first of all, the whole Bob Fosse meets Spanish Harlem vibes. Perfection. I love it. Shout out to y'all choreographers. Shout out to y'all set design, y'all costume design, everything. It was beautiful. Rihanna, girl, looking like a snack. Anyway, yeah, let me know what y'all thoughts on the Grammys, and also if you have any superstitions about knowing your locks and how many you have, or if you don't want to know how many locks you have and all that stuff. If you want to connect with me, quicker reach possibly is Instagram or Snapchat, which all the information is in the info box. You can also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to do that. There's also a notification button. It may work, it may not. I'm not even sure if it does. So there's that. And yeah, that's the video. So 139 locks. That's how many locks I have now. 139. An odd number. Is 139 like a prime number? I wonder. I'm gonna find out after I finish this video, but I want 139. It's not divisible by 2 because it'd be like 69 and a half. 139 also does not equal, that equals 13, which is a prime number. So something tells me that that's a prime number. Ooh. You can't divide it by 3. You can't divide it by 4. I don't know. Okay, well I'll figure out that later, but that kind of makes me interested. Maybe I have some prime locks. I wonder what that says about your crown if you have a number of locks that's a prime number. What if it's prime real estate, prime keratin, prime bundles? I'm working with you. I'm kidding. I'm gonna stop right there. So, video last week is right there. There's a playlist right there. We'll put more dreadlock Q&As if there's any other questions and stuff. Check out those videos. And then always the subscribe icon's right there. And I will see you guys next week. Have a good one. Stay blessed. Peace. And keep it locked. Bye.